Hi everyone, welcome back to Joby's Kitchen. What on the menu for today? We're going to do some banana porridge. I blend the banana here and some fritters over here with a little scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and sardine. We're going to put sardine in the fritters. So we throw our coconut milk in the pot, no water added, just coconut milk. And we're going to use the jug milk to blend the banana. So we're going to use milk right through, no water, just milk. We're going to grate our nutmeg. Let it blend in the blender with the banana. We're going to put a little salt. Yes guys, we're going to throw the banana that I blend in the pot. I'm going to stir it until it gets thick, it gets its own body. You don't add any flour or any cornstarch in it. The amount of banana that you use, it's going to make the porridge have body. So you put the milk in the pot, the coconut milk, and I use the milk and blend the banana, no water added. And you stir it until it gets thick, it has its own body. Let me put a little vanilla. The vanilla. You have to stir it, but you have to turn on the flame because it's pure milk cooked this porridge, so it will boil over in the fire. So you have to watch it. Yes guys, I'm back. I'm making our sardine fritters. This is a piece of scallion, a stalk of scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put the flour in it now. Put some black pepper, a little salt. I want to mix it. Don't make it too water and don't make it too thick. Yes guys, see how thick this banana porridge got? So we're gonna sweeten it now. We'll put in our tin milk. Yes guys, that is the banana porridge and we're going to fry our fritters now. We're going to fry our fritters. Go right over here, let the oil get hot. We're going to put 4 in the pot. Just 4. Yes guys, this is the finished dish. Banana porridge and sardine fritters. And we're going to put some crackers in the porridge. Some people put bread, and you can put the crackers as well. So we're going to put some crackers in the porridge. Yes, this is it. Banana porridge with crackers, sardine fritters. Yes guys, remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I will see you in the next video.